a cube, and then you're able to do, oh geez, here it happened again. And get rid of these. Place portals. Okay, there we go. So this will, yeah, so what it does is it creates a portal, then a ball or a cacodemon will come out. And let me see. Okay, there we go. So it places the portal. This comes towards the device, and there were just a lot of small things. So this is like combining a few different projects, different tutorials, and then just pulling like one piece from the different things. And there were some things that just took a really long time to figure out, like how to get something to target the headset. And then another one was like how to get the planes to look at me, and then also like the head shapes to look toward me. Otherwise, they would all just become like facing this way, even if I created it from a portal here. And I'll get closer to one of the portals so that we can take a look at it. And there we go. So you can see it like entering through the portal, and then yeah, it comes toward my head and then stops at a certain point. So let's do one from this door. I think it needs the mesh first. So there we go. Okay. So then you can see it, this, yeah, coming out through there. And that's something new from Vision OS 2, the beta, where it used to be that you could create a portal, you could create objects that are inside of that, and then you could look at them. But now they can come out and enter the real world. And then another thing that I added here was being able to touch these, and then it adds mass. And so then I think I can get one of these to drop and then get underneath it. Yeah, so you can have it bounce. And then from here, I can also, instead of just like tapping it, I can do the spatial tap gesture here and get these things to bounce around. And another thing, so something else that I showed here was, let me just get a few more of these going. Yeah, just playing with these different shaders. So this is not respecting the lighting in the room, so this is a cell shader. So I followed a tutorial where, let me go, Reality Composer. And so yeah, this was a material, and then I followed a tutorial to do the cell shading that I have applied to some of these spheres. And I don't exactly know, I couldn't tell you everything that's going on here. I kind of just like followed the tutorial, put the patches and connections together. Let me show the, oh no, it's picking up my pinches right here. Shoot, let me get rid of these. Let me get rid of this. Actually, this is a good one to have up. Let's see. There we go. And you can see like, this is actually this shader. So this was one that I followed from, actually the Apple documentation has this material where you can see that it's like a grid, like a grayscale grid, custom material, force field, oh, pixel. So that's what it is. Pixel, so you can see this applied to a cube, and then you're able to do, oh geez, here it happened again. I'll get rid of these. And if I change, I think it's this constant. Okay, so you can see 96, it does a bunch of pixels. And if I turn that to, say, this is to 4. All right, yeah, so it's a 4x4. And then, yeah, let's look at this one. So this is that animated one. I guess, let me try to get another one with that. There we go, okay. It's this force field tutorial that I only did half of. Yeah, so it takes a tiled image, and then there's this time that gets passed to the tiled image, this UV offset, and that's what gets the movement going. Something I heard in a video this week about game development, not that this is game development, yeah, like, it's basically like learning this is kind of jack of all trades sort of thing, that you have to learn a bunch of different stuff, and basically you just end up sucking at a lot of different things, which is how I feel right now. Like, I don't know, like, it takes me forever to get some things projected in 3D space. just to get these things to look at me when they come out took forever. I tried to learn ray casting and that was not working, and I kind of just abandoned that approach. The garage is a mess now. I think if I'm gonna make one right here, and it starts to push these. That's the demo for this week. I'll probably try something new instead of messing with like these shapes. I spent way too much time trying to get these portals and things to work, and yeah, maybe I'll try something like new, get back to that like PDF cylinder thing that I wanted to do, but that's the demo for this week. Thanks for checking this out.